Hey guys, Justin here from CBI Off-Road. Today we're going to show you how to install a set of rock sliders on your 5th gen 4Runner. Stay tuned for the install. All right, so we're going to start over on the driver's side, but install is going to be the same basic on both sides with the addition of this brake line that we'll have to remove, just the bracket. It's a 12mm bolt. We'll just get that out of the way. And then there's these plastic clips that are snapped into the frame. We'll have to pop those out so the slider gets nice and flush to the frame. So let me show you this brake line. All right, so we got the driver's side prepped. We're gonna come over here and get our hardware prepped. So all these bolts are the same, so you don't have to worry about that, but just get a washer. It's set up on every bolt just like this. So the more you have ready, the easier it is to actually install the product. All right, so we just lifted this one into place. This is the driver's side again. One key thing to note is you will, on this cross member here, you will be mounting to the holes towards the rear of the vehicle, and you can get that started, lift this side, and get a couple bolts started. These holes are all threaded already. They have a welded nut on the inside of the frame, so Toyota made that really easy for us. So basically all the holes that you can get to line up, get those bolts threaded in there, and keep it kind of loose so you can slide it around into place and get it to where you want it sitting, and then go back through and tighten everything. All right, next thing, this brake line that we loosen up, we're gonna take the factory bolt out, replace it with one of ours, and cut off the little tab so that it mounts flush through the rock slider. All right, so we got all our bolts started. We got our brake line re-secured. Next step, we're just gonna get everything good and tightened down, and then we'll move to the other side and start the same process. All right, guys, that sums up of this install for the rock sliders on the 5th gen 4Runner. Don't forget, leave a comment below, like and subscribe to see more videos like this. See you guys on the trail.